Hey guys, you want a quick green up to your lawn? You do? Awesome. Stick around and I'm going to show you exactly how that can be accomplished with my favorite products. I want to thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule and stopping by to see how exactly I get my yard dark green. And I'm going to show you my favorite products that I like to use to accomplish this. Let's get to it. So here are my favorite products that I love to use. The 700 Green Effect and the 002 Microgreen from Greene County Fertilizer's N-Ext line of products. So what makes the 700 Green Effect so awesome? How about 7% of urea nitrogen, 3% sulfur, and 6% iron? That is what gives you that quick green up and packs that punch so you get that awesome effect that you want. Microgreen 002. What makes this product so amazing is it packs a wallop with soluble potash at 2%, 0.5% of magnesium, you get another 3% of sulfur, you get 3% of copper, and you get 0.25% of manganese and 0.15% of zinc. That will help you with all your micronutrients. All right, guys, one of my favorite sprayers is this YT25E from Sprayers Plus. I like this one. It's a little 2-gallon one. It's easy to carry around. It's also battery operated, and I don't have to charge it that often. It holds a charge for a fairly long time. But the type of nozzle we'll be using today is going to be a fan tip nozzle. And what this does is it actually sprays like a mist onto the leaf blades so that it can absorb it. And I want that absorption, especially with the 6% iron that's in the 700 Green Effect. You can also use a air induction tip like this, but I generally don't like using these because it actually leaves bigger drops. I prefer to use these when we're doing like a soil application. So that way you get bigger drops going into the soil and you're going to be watering in. And today's application, we're not going to water that in, and I'll explain why later. But for today's application, we're going to go with 6 ounces of the 002 Microgreen, and then we're going to go along and follow that with a mixture of the 700, and we're going to be applying this at 8 ounces per 1,000 square feet. So like always, I start off with filling in about half a gallon of water in my sprayer. So let's get this mixed up. Always want to shake your products before you apply. So we're going to add 6 ounces here. And like I mentioned in my last video, I only like to apply about 18 ounces of the 002 Microgreen a year. And that's just my personal preference. And we're going to do 8 ounces of this bad boy. I love this green color on this Green Effect, because that's exactly what it's going to do to the lawn. It's going to help green it up. Pour this in. And then we're going to top it off with the rest of our water. Get it agitated, and we're going to go throw this down on the lawn. 700 Green Effect is not only for the turf, but it can be used for your ornamentals as well. And that 6% iron will definitely help with any color correction issues that you have. Their iron, the chelated portion of it, and to put it in layman terms, that just helps with the bonding to allow it to consistently green on the plant leaf tissue and to help with any color changes and get that dark deep green for your turf as well as your ornamental irons. It also helps provide you with a low level application rate, which makes this product ideal for adding during the summertime and really throughout any time of the year. Microgreen 002 will definitely help with micronutrient deficiencies found in your soil, but it will also help stimulate root and soil activity, which is necessary to help deepen the layers under the lawn, which will have a great impact on plant health, soil fertility, and the ability to hold more water. Hey, if you have any questions about the information we covered today, please feel free to drop a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And before you exit out, please hit that like and subscribe button so this content can get out to others. I'll catch you in the next one. Be safe. 6% iron, which is a chelated, however you want to say it, iron.